Breaking news. Has the Supreme Court finally hold Inec chairman Professor Yakubo Mahmood accountable for failure to transmit on IREV? Does it affect the coalition? According to Inec laws, the INEC chairman will be the one to determine how election transmission will go. He told Nigerians with his own mouth, not under duress, that he will transmit these results electronically. Nigeria as a country spent billions, not millions, billions on getting this, equipment, machines ready for the election, but it did not really happen. At the end of the day, every other election was transmitted electronically except presidential election results. And these are some of the issues and some of the matters that have gone on, and every single person can see right now. It's important that we all begin to rise up and we do not allow the same thing over and over again. Nigerians, this is the time, this is the day for us to ensure that we put this nation first and foremost. We put this nation in place to ensure that we eradicate the evil that have continued, to go on. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Remember to please give us a thumbs up, okay? Like us. Let's continue and get all the details. INEC failure to transmit the results electronically does not affect the collation of the results. Supreme Court judge tells Obi and Atiku in court. The Supreme Court has heard that the failure of the Independent National Electoral Commission to electronically transmit the election results via IRS portals does not affect the collation or negate the results that they declared. Justice John Okoro noted that the Electoral Act empowers INEC chairman to determine the mode of transmission of election results. The justice said the applicant failed to prove non-compliance to the electoral law, but relies solely on election inability to electronically transmit election results on the INEC result viewing portal, that is not the conclusion of the matter, that indeed INEC has opportunity to be able to transmit results in any way. But they failed to realize that INEC had a stipulated time within which they should transmit the results. Or tell Nigerians how the results will be transmitted. And guess what? INEC told Nigerians that they would do it electronically. Yes, that was nobody, they were not under duress. They said it that don't worry, we'll transmit this result electronically. Everybody understood and worked with them and was expecting this. Now they did not do their duty, their due diligence, and they expect us to be quiet. They expect every one of us to be quiet, to take it hook, like, and sinker, move on. I don't get it. Honestly, I don't get it. I don't get it. Okay, so this is what is happening right now. This is what is going on right now as we speak. And every single person is wondering, what next? The days upon us have become so, so, so important. Okay, it has become so, so important that we cannot underestimate the fact that some people wants to hold this nation in captivity, and they feel that they have what it takes and no other person dare speaks. What a sad day for a nation where we say there is truth and honesty and justice, and guess what? Those are the very things we are omitting. Those are the very, very issues we are omitting. If we want to be honest and sincere, let's tell ourselves the truth. There are so many issues right now going on, and until we all rise up and tell ourselves the truth and say, you know what, enough is enough, we may not be going anywhere very fast. If we want this nation to move forward and we want things to get better, INEC failed, and INEC should be held responsible. INEC failed in their line of duty. They failed to deliver. They failed. So it is a very serious one. Lovely, wonderful people. That is, your government using every tool available to tell you, that this is what the FCT represent. FCT, they said, is inconsequential whether FCT is 25% or not 25% is inconsequential if, they accept. In fact, it's all just so clumsy. I mean, you can just pick that there is a lot of cover up that some people want to do. Okay, some people have made up their mind and they have said, you know what, this cover up, we must do it to the very end. It is such a big shame. It is really such a big shame, that these things are happening and we don't really have people who are there to verify and to ensure that, these things, we do what is needed and necessary to change the course of what is going on today. Nigerians, every one of us knows what is going on. Every one of us know what is going on, and we all just need to ensure that the truth is manifested. Okay, we all just need to make sure that we know, that the truth is manifested, and that at the end of the day, things can be different and we can move forward. The people who feel they are calling the shots are doing whatever they think they can, okay, to hide and twist the law. In fact, one of the judges says that we are not operating an American system, we're operating a British system of government. And if you look at the Nigerian judiciary or the Nigerian kind of, it's all interwoven. Today is an American style, tomorrow is a British style. It just feels like people who are driving and seeking for identity, okay, not really having any clear court case to say this is where your identity and this is where it lies and this is what it is with you. So it is not fair. Some of the things that goes on, it's not fair. It's not fair. Some of the things that really goes on. And so if we want to be honest and sincere, every one of us must ensure, okay, every one of us must ensure that we do what is right. Okay. So please, my lovely people, let's ensure we do everything needed to change the course of this nation and bring us to the right place. Yes, let's do all that and bring us to where we need to be. Remember that Nigeria belongs to us, and whatever decision we take will affect not just today, but in years to come, the nation, the people, it will affect the whole of Nigeria. So we must be careful how we are going about all of this. Okay? How we're going about all of this is so important. None of us should allow the same thing to happen over and over again. Okay? Leave us a comment. Don't forget to like us, share, subscribe. Click on the notification button so you can get all our latest news. God bless. Have a fantastic and a lovely day. From us is bye for now. Bye-bye.